I bought and tested these top spot cleaners so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. After dealing with messy carpets and stubborn stains, I set out to find the best products on the market. Let me share my honest experiences to help you make the right choice. Product number 1. Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner. The Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner was a game changer during my recent cleaning frenzy. I found myself facing a myriad of stains, from spilled drinks to pet accidents, and I needed something reliable. This compact machine is incredibly easy to use. I simply filled the tank and was ready to tackle the mess. The 2-in-1 pet tool worked wonders for those pesky pet stains, while the 4-inch stain tool handled the tougher embedded dirt with ease. I appreciated how lightweight it was, making it easy to carry around the house, especially when I needed to clean the stairs. The ability to clean multiple messes without frequent refills thanks to the 19-ounce tank capacity was a huge plus. After I was done, the built-in hose rinse function made post-cleanup a breeze. Pros: this machine is lightweight, making it highly portable, and the variety of tools it comes with means you can tackle any stain. The easy maintenance features, including a removable lid and rinseable hose, made my life so much easier. Cons: on the downside, the suction power wasn't as robust as I expected for deeper stains. Also, it lacks a specific cleaning formula, which means you might need to buy that separately. Why buy it? If you're looking for a compact, efficient spot cleaner that can handle everyday messes and pet stains without breaking the bank, the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner is a solid investment. It combines ease of use with effective cleaning, making it a perfect choice for busy households. Product number 2. ZEP ZUSPOT19 Instant Spot and Stain Remover. I stumbled upon the ZEP ZUSPOT19 while searching for a quick fix for some grease stains on my carpet. The moment I sprayed it on the stains, I was amazed at how effortlessly it worked. I didn't need to scrub, just a simple blot with a cloth did the trick. This professional strength formula is no joke. It tackles everything from grease to lipstick stains. I even tried it on some old stains that I thought were hopeless, and it worked wonders. The scent was pleasantly mild, which made the cleaning experience much more enjoyable. Pros: the best feature is its no-scrub formula, which saves me time and effort. It works on various surfaces, including clothing and upholstery, which adds to its versatility. Plus, the size of the bottle is perfect for keeping around the house. However, it might not be strong enough for deeply embedded stains, so keep that in mind. Also, the effectiveness may vary slightly depending on the type of stain. Why buy it? If you're someone who appreciates a quick and effective cleaning solution without the hassle of scrubbing, the ZEP ZUSPOT19 is worth considering. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to maintain a clean home effortlessly. Product number 3. Bissell Spot Clean Pet Pro. When I first got my hands on the Bissell Spot Clean Pet Pro, I was a bit skeptical, but it quickly proved itself. With a pet in the house, I was constantly battling stains, and this machine became my go-to solution. It features a long 22-foot power cord, which allowed me to clean areas without constantly moving the plug. The 5-foot hose was a lifesaver when it came to reaching into furniture and tight spaces. The included pet stain trapper tool was incredibly effective. It grabbed the mess without spreading it around. After several uses, I found that it could tackle even the toughest stains without any issues. Pros: the suction power is impressive, and it lifts stains right out of the carpet. The machine is also relatively lightweight at 13.2 pounds, making it easy to maneuver. Plus, the 2-year warranty gives you peace of mind. Cons: one downside is that it does require a bit of maintenance, and you have to be careful with the cleaning formula to avoid damaging your carpets. Additionally, it might be a bit pricier than some other options. Why buy it? The Bissell Spot Clean Pet Pro is perfect for pet owners and anyone dealing with tough stains. Its powerful suction and versatility make it a worthwhile investment, especially if you want a reliable cleaner at your disposal. Product number 4. Kenmore KW2001 Spotlight Portable Cleaner. The Kenmore KW2001 Spotlight caught my attention when I was looking for something lightweight yet powerful. Weighing less than 11 pounds, I could easily carry it around the house without straining my back. I had some muddy footprints on the carpet from my kids, and this cleaner tackled it with ease. The dual tank system is a fantastic feature. It allowed me to fill and empty the tanks without hassle, making my cleaning sessions quick and efficient. I also appreciated that it came with a trial size of cleaning formula, which was a nice bonus. Pros: the powerful suction it offers is impressive, lifting stains with minimal effort. The compact design means I can store it easily, and it's perfect for small spaces. However, it might struggle with larger messes due to its size, and the cord length could be longer for bigger rooms. Also, the suction might not be as strong as higher-end models. Why buy it? If you need a portable and effective spot cleaner that's easy to store and doesn't take up much space, the Kenmore KW2001 Spotlight is an excellent choice. It's particularly great for families with kids and pets, providing quick solutions to those everyday messes. Product number 5. Spot Shot Professional Instant Stain Remover. I couldn't believe how effective the Spot Shot Professional Instant Stain Remover was. I had a nasty red wine spill on my carpet that I thought was a lost cause, but with a few sprays of this aerosol, the stain disappeared without any scrubbing required. The fact that it deodorizes the carpet as it cleans is a huge bonus. It has been my go-to for all sorts of stains, from food spills to pet accidents. The grape scent was pleasant and not overwhelming, which is always a concern when using cleaning products. Pros: the no scrub feature really sets it apart, making it super convenient. It works on a wide variety of stains, so it's versatile. Plus, the plant-based material feature is a plus for those who are environmentally conscious. Cons: on the downside, it can be a bit pricey for a single can, and the aerosol format may not reach into tight spaces as well as some other cleaners. Why buy it? If you're looking for a powerful stain remover that works instantly and requires no scrubbing, Spot Shot Professional is your best bet. It's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their carpets looking new without spending hours on cleaning. In conclusion, each of these spot cleaners has their strengths and weaknesses, catering to different cleaning needs. Whether you have pets, kids, or just want to maintain a clean home, there's a perfect spot cleaner for you. Choose wisely and happy cleaning.